In April, the topic, the theme of the month was, of course, the April showers. Externally, we certainly had our fair share of those, and personally, internally, I certainly had my fair share of those. And we refer to it as the mud of life. Right? We all experience it. Suffering, challenges, at some degree or level. We also talked about the path through it. Right? And that path through it is utilizing the teachings of the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. And now as we move into May, we turn towards the flower. And it's really important to understand that this flower is not something we create, but yet it's something that we uncover. Right? And what we're uncovering is this clarity and this compassion that's already within us. That's the lotus. The lotus, the plant itself, and really all seeds do something quite remarkable. Right? They don't go outside of themselves to find their flower. Within the seed, the flower is already there. It needs the right conditions. Right? Water, sunlight, time, and that flower is naturally going to bloom. And in the same way, these Buddhist teachings, that's what they're teaching us. That, called awakening, awareness, Buddha nature. It's not something that we need to acquire, but something that we uncover. Zen teacher Zojin very simply said, all beings are Buddha nature. That beneath our stress, our habits, our confusion, it's already there. The awareness, the compassion, the clarity. Not something we create, but it's something we remember. So often we go through our days feeling like something is missing, something is lacking. We need to improve this or fix that, just to complete ourselves. What if that wasn't the full story? What if, with the right conditions, wisdom, clarity, compassion, that potential to bloom is already within you? So this practice, possibly why you came here today, is not rooted in becoming somebody new. It's about gently uncovering what's already there. So for the balance of our sit today, I'll offer you this reflection. What if nothing is missing from you in this moment? What if nothing is missing from you in this moment?